turtle module in Python. So, what is turtle? Turtle is a module in Python which is used to draw different shapes. Like we can draw circle, we can draw a rectangle, and we can draw a rectangle, and we can manipulate this. Okay, we can draw triangle, and we can manipulate it. We can draw arrow, and we can manipulate, like we can change the color of that particular item. Okay, and we can draw different shapes like heart, and we can manipulate with its color and its shape, and we can make it move. And how to add turtle? If you know Python, you just add a statement called import turtle. Okay, import turtle, and we have to write a Python program such that we can draw different shapes using turtle methods. Now let us write a simple turtle program.